Stalker Sue. Is she stalking you too? Paranoia is gonna kill you. Silly, silly. Stalker Sue. Just standing over in aisle 3. What do I see? A damn Stalker Sue. Staring back at me.
Posterity's sake. You know, there are certain things I don't find cute. I don't find it cute when I'm...
Oh boy, here we go again. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, sorry. I can't listen to another one either.
Oh, I don't know. I'm standing in a certain place. And you know, certain notorious family members.
Notorious.
Others want to go past after obviously recognizing me, saying hi while I'm, by the way, talking to somebody that they don't realize everybody knows. Anyway. Hey, get a picture so I have proof.
No, come on, leave me alone. No.
Anyway.
Anyway.
I don't find it cute that then... Okay, so then... Anyway. It's that then, they kind of want to make it look at certain types of way throughout a store.
Fine.
The entire way, and then, for some reason, and they're looking at bare, bought-out shelves. I probably shouldn't be in that area, quite frankly, considering all things. And then I go down and get the products I much need that are absolutely evidenced.
Wow, just look at all these tampons!
On camera and by receipt. For others, and if I had a reason to be going that way and etc. And then, you know, trying to get the receipt cups too. But anyway,
I do care. Look how much. Look how much I care.
That shit wasn't funny or cute. And, we ain't gonna be playing no bullshit games, so.
2 of them versus 2 of us.
Just know from front door all the way through there were people with, and, some of the eldest people with, just to make that clear.
We need to let everyone know we're pissed off, and we're not gonna take it anymore.
So, I'd rather not be any silly games, or phone calls through the creek tonight, or otherwise, or for the next few days. That ain't cute. And then, like, wouldn't come out and, like, kept ducking behind shit. Watching everybody's asses through the fucking store bullshit. Ain't no need in that shit.
Oh, okay.
Just to have something to talk about through the creek tonight. Don't fucking even. Because I'm telling you, eldest people or with...
Why not?
Cameras on, proof of I'm not playing those silly games. So, y'all can get those creek lines jumping, say what you want, swap whatever, but I'm telling you, don't. Just don't. And I know it's gonna happen because of everything coming.
Oh!
Next few days, so just, you know.
Yeah. What?
Shit ain't cute. And then right behind me as I come out, there it comes. And then come on, give me a break, guys. Give me a break.
Have you lost your mind?
What a day. Get out of the box, they say. Do the things out of the box. Yeah. Whatever. Whatever, it shit ain't cute. It'd be different if, like, people were trying to avoid, but that is not what was happening. That shit ain't cute. I know how that shit works. I'm not gonna play it today, y'all. So, especially with what's coming up, that shit ain't cute. And I know how lines work, so. Oh, alright. Anyway, I'm off here. Get the hell out of here before anything else weirdness.
Oh, wow!
Good park right fucking over there. Wow. Like 2 items.
Unless you're trying to trick me somehow.
Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna make my way out. Oh, here we go. I'm just gonna let them leave first, because that's horseshit. Wow, when you pointed out, why would you come? Mm-hmm. I mean, why? Very simple. I mean, it's pointed that way. Well, it's fine.
Oh.
It's fine.
Hey, shut up!
It's 5 o'clock somewhere. That's what Jimmy Buffett said. Alright. So I guess we're gonna be heading out and go that way. Across fucking interstates instead of putting more bullshit today. Alright, I'll talk to y'all another day.
It's going to be okay. We just can't panic.
Same shit, different day. Hi, bitch. I'm X125.
You know, I've waited years to hear somebody say that.